Are you using Squarespace for your online store but your business is growing? In this video, I'll show you how to move from Squarespace to Shopify step by step. Squarespace is great for websites and portfolios, but Shopify is built only for online selling. With Shopify, you get better marketing tools, more payment options, powerful apps, better SEO, and more control over your store. That's why many store owners switch to Shopify. First of all, go to Shopify and create an account. You can start with a free trial, choose your store name, and complete the basic setup. Take your time and explore the dashboard. Next, pick a theme for your store. Shopify has many free and paid themes. Choose one that matches your brand. You can change the colors, layouts, and fonts later. Log into your Squarespace account and export all your data from there. This includes products, customers, orders. Squarespace will download everything as CSV files. Make sure you save all of these on your computer. Once that is done, go to your Shopify dashboard, open the Store Importer tool, and upload all your CSV files. Shopify will move your data automatically. After the import, check everything carefully. Look at the product names, prices, images, and variants. If something is missing, you can fix it manually. Go to Shopify settings and add payment methods. You can use Stripe, PayPal, or other Shopify payment options. This lets customers pay easily on your store. One very important step is to test everything before you go live. Once everything is done, your Shopify store is ready to go live. And that's it. Moving from Squarespace to Shopify is as simple as that. If you want better growth, marketing, and selling tools, Shopify is the right choice. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.